Hello, my name is Jessica Arby, and I am here today to introduce or to speak about the top 3 brands of washing machines for the year 2023. This is based off of the Consumer Report Guide for it's their Save Big at Home issue that was published for May-June of 2023. Today we have guests in our audience. Would you guys like to introduce yourselves, starting with the lady in the back?
Princess and cashier at Wendy's.
Okay, Miss Princess, thank you for being here today. And you, young lady?
Jesslyn and a student.
Okay, Miss Jesslyn, thank you for being here today. So have anyone been in the market recently or looking to purchase a washing machine? Anyone? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, you have? Okay, good. Well, then you're going to find this report very interesting. First of all, we're going to start off by saying the top 3 brands of washing machine was the LG, Samsung, and Maytag. Now, if you have purchased washing machines in the past, or you've been a homeowner for a long time, you may be just as surprised as I am at what the #1 brand is. I instantly, when I go shopping for an appliance, I'm looking for longevity of the company. So my first mind went to Maytag or General Electric, which is also known as GE. But LG came in as the top, being that it had an overall score of 82 based on comparison and findings from customers. That lets me know that it's a good brand that I could trust whenever I go look into the store to buy a washing machine. Samsung came in #2 with a top overall score of 68, and Maytag came in at #3 with an overall score of 65. That was surprising to me because it's been around for such a long time. That makes me think that maybe they need to upgrade some of their old recipe on building washing machines. Nevertheless, it's still in the top 3, so that still makes it a good brand, just not the top brand for this current time. Give me 1 second here. So when it comes down to features and warranty, let's talk about warranty first. All 3 brands have the limited 1-year warranty, which covers certain parts and labor. After 1 year, most of the parts are covered. When it comes down to parts for the tub and parts, original manufactured parts, those are covered in the 1-year warranty. Maytag, however, has a warranty within 2 to 10 years. They actually cover 2 to 10 years from the original purchase price, which is for all the machines. 1 year from the original purchase price. But Maytag has a warranty from year 2 to 10. It will cover factory specified replacement parts, and it will cover the labor. That is excellent. That right there, in my opinion, pushes Maytag up to #2, maybe even #1, depends on what's important to you. The next thing we want to talk about is pricing. Now, because Samsung is #1, you can expect a little bit more expensive pricing. Samsung is coming in at $1,100. And yes, $1,100 is a lot to spend for a washing machine, especially if you're a consumer who, like I said, you've been having a home for a long time. But $1,100 is the price that you're going to have to pay to get the top washing machine. Samsung is priced at $700. Now, that's pretty cheap for a washing. I'm not going to say pretty cheap, but that's a reasonable price for a washing machine in 2023. Especially being at its number 2. Maytag comes in with a price of $900, which for the number 3 brand, but then again, you have to think about that warranty that covers parts and labors 14 years. So I can see why it would be $900. Currently, you can get the Maytag on sale for $799 at Best Buy. I just would double check to see if that same warranty applies. Let's see here. So the next thing that we are going to talk about is we're going to go deeper into the comparison and the findings. When it comes down to washing performance, LG number 1 has an excellent performance. Samsung number 2 average performance. Maytag number 3 has a good performance. I think I would take good performance over average performance. You know, like I said, y'all also remember that price tag. Another thing that may be important to customers is the cycle time. Cycle time, LG 70 minutes, Samsung 65 minutes, Maytag 55 minutes. If you have a busy household, you have a lot of laundry, that 55 minutes or any cycle time may be an issue for you. Next thing we want to look at is washing performance. I'm sorry, not washing performance. We're going to look at energy efficiency. LG good, Samsung excellent, Maytag average. So there you go. That's where you kind of see where the ratings are, what they are. 1, 2, 3. Maytag being the 3rd is coming in with the average water and energy efficiency. So to conclude my report, basically we're going to rely on the numbers. We're going to rely on the comparison and findings from the consumer reports. And overall, you can make your guess on what would be. Depending on what your budget is, you may want to go for the number 3 washing machine or the number 2 washing machine. It all depends on what's important to you. So, do we have any questions at this time? Anyone? No questions? No questions? Okay, that's fine. Well, I just would like to thank you for your time, giving me your attention and accepting this information from me. If you want to speak to me privately or if you want to take a look at the consumer report, Save Big at Home Guide, I do have it with me. You definitely can thumb through it and look at washing machine ratings or look at ratings of any other home appliances that you may be interested in. Once again, my name is Jessica Arby, and I thank you so much for your time.